Hi everyone, I hope you enjoyed watching yourself up and down the ladder after our last video. This week we'd like to talk about the weather. I guess you're thinking, what has that got to do with our state of mind? Well, here's how it looks similar to us. Our innate health is always with us, it's just often covered up with our personal thinking that we've given meaning to, similar to the sun always being there, just covered by the clouds. It's a great metaphor for understanding how our thinking is always in play. Sometimes we can press the pause button and let the sun come back through. It's always there whether it's shining or not. Knowing that is huge. Knowing we're always going to be okay because the sun will always come through again. It fascinates me how most of us think a certain way about the weather. We see it as a miserable day when it's raining, but isn't it a gorgeous day when the sun is shining? We then start thinking we are miserable because the weather is, or we are happy because it's a beautiful day. Exactly the same as when we have too much thinking we are miserable, but when our true nature is shining through like the sun, we feel much happier. The good news is, just like the weather, our thinking always changes. We don't have to do anything, it just happens naturally. We're always going to have miserable days, but we need it, like we need the rain and the cold and the wet weather. It's just part of nature. When we really look at it, we all know deep down we don't feel miserable today because it's raining or happy because the sun is shining, but it does look a lot like the weather affects us. Just another great trick of the mind. A little experiment for this week. Pick a day when it's raining, and even if you feel miserable when you first wake up, watch your mood change throughout the day, and magically the weather stays the same. Well, maybe the weather changes throughout the day as well, but your mood sure doesn't copy the weather outside. So where do our feelings come from then? Our thinking in the moment. When we have thought the same thing for years on end, we take it to be true as we don't know anything different. However, when we see it as thought, we break through that habit and see it as just another burst of energy passing through. It means nothing. The more we see that, the sooner it passes. Thank you for watching this week's video. Please connect with us. You can leave a message under the video, connect with us on Facebook, LinkedIn or Twitter, or you can pop over to our website, www.thefamily-firm.com. Thank you.